I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about comments and how to use it in our Python programming codes. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Alright, so in the previous lecture, we are able to look at installation of Python, and we also look at the basic syntax and how to set up projects in Python. And herein, we are going to look at the comments in Python programming. Like every language out there, we have comments, and Python is not an exception. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that immediately. If you want to add a comment to your program, you can go ahead and use hashtag, and whatever you write here will not be printed out for you when you click enter. You see that? And if I go ahead and say print hello, we say hello world, and if you go ahead and insert anything after this and hit enter, you can see that only hello world was printed out for me, and other ones were ignored, and they're in red lines. Now we have what is called single line comment, and we have what is called multiple line comment. Whenever you want to make a single line comment in Python, go ahead and use hashtag, and you type in anything you want. And if you want to make a multiple line comment in Python, you go ahead and use triple quotation mark, either single or multiple quotation mark or double. First and multiple, wow. Alright, so we have single quotation mark and we have double quotation mark. So if you're using double or single, we go ahead and type, and this is usually in green color. And you can keep typing. You see that? You keep moving down and moving down, and whenever you close this, you see that? It's printed out for you in a blue color. So this is your comment, but this comment does not ever interfere with your own program. Okay, your program is going to run very fine. The comment is for developers and for yourself to know what you are doing in case you come back in the next months to come, like after 6 months or after a year, and you want to maintain this code. Without a comment, you will never understand what this is really doing again. So that is why it is very important for you to make a comment. Okay? But it's really very bad to put comments at every line of code. In fact, it doesn't look very good, right? So you know where to place a code, and you know where to place a comment. You should learn how to do all those things, and that makes you a senior developer if you really understand how to use that. Because whenever you're not there, someone else will maintain that code. And when you put comment at every line, it looks like what is going on, though it is helpful. But, you should be able to reason. I believe as a developer, you are creative and you know how to do that. So this is all about single line comments and multiple line comments. If you want to use a double quotation mark, it's just exactly the same. Go ahead and use that, and you keep typing. You see that? You keep typing, and you keep typing, and you keep typing. And you close that with double quotation mark and hit enter. You see that? It's printed out for you, and your code will still run very fine with that. So let's go ahead and check our code. Hello world. Hello world. Alright, so let's go ahead and use double quotation mark, and we type in everything we type. And let's go ahead and close this and hit enter. Syntax error, do you know why? Because we'll root these multiple lines of code in the same line with hello world. Okay? But if it's a single line comment, it's gonna work very fine. So let's go ahead and check that out. hello. And use single line comments and you type and hit enter. Hello world. Oh wow, there is no D at the end. And if you want to use multiple line comments, go ahead and say print hello world. And move on to the next line and put your comments with a double quotation mark or anything you want. Alright, so that is okay. So now, alright, hit enter and that enter that goes there. So you've learned about single and double and multiple line comments, and I believe that henceforth you can be able to start using them and create an awesome code that is maintainable in future for your developers. And I believe that you're gonna be the happiest guy out there. So go ahead and check it out and put it down on your own system and try it out. And if you have any problem, please don't fail to use the question and answer sections. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.